Hi, got a moment to talk to me?
Yes, I do. Wait, she's AI? God. Google Veo 3 just dropped and it has us convinced that humanity is clearly in the endgame. Here are some crazy examples of what this new AI software is capable of creating.
In shocking news, J.K. Rowling's yacht sank with her on board after being attacked by orcas off the coast of Turkey. In shocking news, Japan will now ban all Twitch and Kick streamers from entering the country by utilising AI facial recognition.
What do you think of the government's ban on foreigner live streamers?
I love this idea.
If you mistook this for a real broadcast, you're not alone. The emotion, tone accuracy, urgency, and the way the anchor emphasizes the words sank and attack with just enough hesitation to feel real? What happens when this tech is used not just to entertain, but to manipulate? Now imagine doom scrolling at 2 a.m., trying to figure out what's fake and what's not. Also, don't forget, this is just the beginning of things to come, and the worst Veo will ever be.
I tried everything for my depression. Nothing worked.
Every day felt heavy. I felt trapped.
Then I tried Puppermin.
Our prescription helps your body secrete a special pheromone that attracts puppies.
I took the pill before bed, and when I woke up, there he was, the love of my life.
The pill does not target depression directly, but we've found that it's really difficult to be depressed when cute dogs show up at your doorstep.
I used to feel so empty, but now I feel joy and mild concern how a pee stain got on the ceiling.
My puppy listens twice as good as my ex-husband and only climbs into the lap of half as many of my friends.
He chewed up my Bible and pooped in my good chair. But I'm happy for the first time in years.
Looks like a rat, barks like a demon. But he saved my life.
I named him Earl. He follows me everywhere and farts in his sleep. Just like my first husband.
Puppermin, for when your therapist says, maybe you should get a dog.
A director replaced, actors replaced, location, lighting, sound, gone. Now imagine that, scaled across industries, across countries. You don't need a studio anymore, you just need a prompt. And I know, we're a tech channel, we're supposed to love progression, but seriously, we are in the darkest timeline, and it just keeps going. Watch this. This is a live-action version of Ratatouille, and honestly, when you take a look at this clip versus the real live-action movies from Disney that cost millions of dollars to create, well, you be the judge. Oh, and to be clear, AI made this in 2 minutes, with a single sentence. No rewrites, no reshoots, no unions, just code.
4, 3, 2, 1.
That's intimate, perfectly mixed, mesmerizing, and it's 100% fake.
Hi, and welcome to the channel.
I truly think this is our last video here because we're really not needed in the future. Honestly, I'm not really sure if we're needed now, but that's not something I want to get into right now. Human beings are not just being replaced, we are being outperformed. And if you thought that was good, wait till you see this one.
When we get in there, I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Stay sharp. These fuckers are nasty and dangerous. Stay alert. What the hell happened here? Where are the bodies?
This is an entire action movie that is shot, voiced, and edited by, you guessed it, AI. How, you ask? Well, with Google Veo 3, you have the ability to extend each scene or continue the scene with a tool called Jump To. With this tool, Gemini is able to understand how the scene ended and then is able to produce a clip to continue the new scene seamlessly. And it does this within minutes. If you thought Veo 3 can only do movie productions, you're wrong. Podcasters and street interviewers are directly in Google's crosshairs.
What's one move with AI that makes haters go crazy every time?
Oh, y'all gotta give them that. This is wild. It's over. We are cooked on that thread. You get me?
New hook to a girl? Google can do it. New ways to rot your brain? Google can do it. New ways to manipulate humanity? Google can do it. Just look at this AI scene created with a single prompt. Create a song.
I try to show you how I really feel.
Even if you take away Veo 3's video making capabilities, just its ability to write a song is absolutely insane. Yes, some people already use AI cloning to voice the song, but they still have to create the beat and sync the music. This creates both, including a video, in 2 minutes. Now, a lot of people will think this is not a big deal, that they're still able to tell the difference between what's a real video and what's fake. However, research shows 40% of people are already tricked by AI. 40%! And that was before Veo 3. Imagine what happens now, or worse, what will definitely happen in the future. For better or worse, we've opened Pandora's box, and there is no going back.